The hoes gon' love this.
Good morning, y'all. It's Monday. I am honestly feeling so good, and I think that's because yesterday I had work, and I think yesterday had to be the best day I ever had at work. I don't know, it was just so good. It was just so good. I'm just trying to have like a really productive, organized week. I feel like I have not in a couple of months got a chance to like really make sure my week is productive because I've been out of school for so long. So y'all already know how that goes. Like the sleep schedule, you go to sleep at 7 a.m., you wake up like 5. That don't work with school. Well, last night after I came home from work, I actually went to sleep. Well, I didn't really go to sleep. I was trying to go to sleep, and then I ended up going to sleep, and then I ended up waking up at like 4 something, and then just rolling in my bed until like 6 something. So I slept, but I didn't sleep, but I was like off my phone and stuff, which is good. Technically, this is the first official week of spring semester because I mean we went back last Wednesday, but I only had school Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday I have an online class, and it didn't really start yet, so I was just in bed. Okay, y'all see how I usually use this light, but this light looks so bad, especially pairing with the fact that my camera has like a little cut through it. I got this new light right from Amazon. Look, this is me now, right? This is the light from Amazon. So wait, without this other light, ew, that kind of looks bad. So we can do both, you know? Wait, and let me change it. I'm feeling this light. It's giving better. But like, oh my gosh, my face looks so raw. I've been drinking more water. Well, there's tap in here, but my tap tastes good. I know some people tap don't taste good. My tap tastes good. But this original water, I have posted on my story. Somebody said, oh, it probably got mad salt in it. I never knew water has salt in it. Like, what? That called sea salt? No. The water that actually tastes like salt when you go to the ocean. I forgot what that water was called. Ignore the nail. I know. I'm about to go beat up my nails head. I've been wanting to wear this sweater that I got from Shein because it's very cute. But like, I don't want to wear it to a day that like I'm going to take pictures in it. I don't know. That might sound dumb, but school, I start at 9. I get out at 12:40. I'm not wasting a cute outfit. I'm wearing this black, I said black, babe. This brown tank top. I'm gonna wear some black sweats, and of course I'm going to, what's jiggling in here? Got some change. I need to get a little piggy bank, honestly, because I never know what to do with change unless they're quarters. Okay, today I have microeconomics, and I have some, I'm just called a history class, so I have to bring my laptop and my iPad, which I kind of hate. I really don't like traveling with electronics field just because like the robbery rates in New York go kind of crazy. I'm also packing my backup charger. This was from Amazon. This had to be no more than $30, and yeah, if you want it, it's in my Amazon storefront down below. My bag is so heavy. Like, put my orders in. A girl is early. Ain't no lights in here. It's giving somebody didn't pay their bill. I'm literally a whole hour, like a whole single hour early to class. That's because at this time, like, the buses don't be like crazy, but like, if I would have left my house 30 minutes later, it would have took me forever to get here. That's good that I'm early. I get to pick my seat. I get to make TikToks. I mean, if I have work to do, I would do work, but I don't have no work to do. Like, it's the 3rd day of school. Like, what's a given? I'm proud of myself because this semester I was like, girl, you have to be punctual. Like, you gotta be early. Like, I would be missing class because I was asleep. I missed y'all. I'm finally home from school. I got some McDonald's for lunch. Not gonna lie, I really need to go food shopping because I'm tired, like so tired of spending money on food. So basically, long time ago, back in the day, I was doing lashes, and I stopped doing it or whatever. I feel like I talked about this at some point in time, but I probably never uploaded it. Yeah, I was doing lashes, but I stopped doing it because, like, basically, I just got discouraged. But I'm back to doing it, so I have to do a practice set. Then I have to make content. So I just want to eat, watch a movie, and then get to that because, like, I had a really long bus ride. So I'm gonna watch this movie on Netflix. It's called Senior Year. It been came out, but I seen an edit of it on TikTok, and it looks slightly interesting. So I'm just like, let me give it a try or whatever. I'm only 11 minutes in, and this movie is dumb corny. Like, I'm cringing. I finished the movie and it wasn't bad, but look, I'm over here doing my little schedule for school, and I really want to tell you guys, if you guys don't have Notion already, bro, get Notion. Like, it helps me organize my work so much. Like, y'all see, I have my meetings, I have my assignments and stuff like that. So, like, you can literally put, and this is not sponsored, I'm just putting y'all on. So let's say you had dance homework or whatever. I will put like, oh, dance homework, and let's say it's due like February 9th. You can like put, oh, remind me, and when you want them to remind you, you can include the time, the end time, like whatever you want. Then you can put like what type of thing it is. So if it's a test, assignment, like event, a lesson, whatever the case is, and then the topic, and you could put like whatever topic it is. And I just really, really love it. Like, it keeps me so organized. By the time this video comes out, my digital content planner for CEOs will be out, guys. So go ahead and get it. It's gonna be linked in my bio. If you know you want to stay organized doing content and stuff, it's just so helpful. This was like last week. I was organizing and just planning out my content, and then you have it for next week so you can go ahead and organize. But yeah, like, it's just so great, and I just been loving it. These little curls, if you get the little bohemian braids, whatever, they be cute for 2 seconds, and then they start just getting look nonsense. Okay, before I continue again, excuse the audio. I'm gonna have to stop recording my class, but I was talking so soft because this girl was also early. Like, I was an hour early again, and she was just sitting there, and like, I don't know her, so like, I was trying to like keep it cute, you know. I went to McDonald's, and I got, what's this thing called? McGriddles. I haven't had McDonald's breakfast in like mad long, so I don't remember the taste of anything. I was gonna get the hot cakes with bacon, but I was like, it's not giving. I really wanted to try this because I haven't had it in so long. It looks cute. It smells good. The sausage looks burnt though, I ain't gonna lie. Okay. I'm not mad at it. I feel like if I would have got the one with eggs, I wouldn't have liked it, because them eggs be looking like plastic. Like, okay, so I watched this entire movie. I think it's You People on Netflix. The hype about this movie, I'm sorry, it was a regular movie. Like, it was nothing special about it. The chemistry between the couple was weird. Everything was just like weird. It was just an okay movie. They dragged it. It's Thursday. I just came back from class, y'all. It was cool. Today was actually a chill day. Great combos with my peoples. I have some errands to run today. No, I have an errand to run. I have to go to the supermarket. I don't know about y'all, but I mean, not this one, but I actually love these little baby pouches. But $2 for a little pouch that's gonna last 3 seconds, that's a scam. Whoever made these are dead wrong, because these brownies are nasty and they're really not for humans to even digest. So the fact that you sat there and made something that goes into milk, that's nasty. I'm gonna do a little grocery haul. So the first thing I have here, oh, let me go put my milk in the fridge. Hold on. So I got the strawberry shortcake. You know, it has a vanilla scent or whatever. These are bomb. I really kind of like these better than the Oreo ones, but it all depends on what mood I'm in, but I like these for sure. And then I got these drumsticks. I love these, and it was 2 for $9, so I had to get it. I got these mashed potatoes in a cup. Now, me and mashed potatoes have a love and hate relationship, simply because sometimes I cannot take the texture of mashed potatoes. Like, it makes me like want to gag, so I have to like eat it in small portions. But I do like mashed potatoes, so I'm hoping that these taste good. You know, it's not gonna be extravagant. I mean, clearly it's in a heatable cup, but I hope it's good. Right along with things that go in cups, I got some Kraft mac and cheese. Recently, Velveeta sent me a package. It was like a foodie call kit, something like that. I'm sorry, I prefer Kraft mac and cheese over Velveeta. It kind of made my stomach hurt. This is, it's bomb. Like, aside from the real baked mac and cheese on Thanksgiving, this will do. The blueberries was 2 for $5. You know, I like to be a little healthy, a little classy sometimes, so I got that. Of course, I got Danimals. I'm so in love with Danimals. I'll probably finish these within the next 3 days, probably 2 days. But the colors just got me. Like, I absolutely love it. So they have Nemo, Buzz Lightyear, I don't know his name, the Incredible Dad. I don't think, oh yeah, it's one for each of them. So it's one for all these characters. I just thought that was really cute. I'm sorry, kids. I'll be taking y'all stuff. I got these. I think these are pirouettes. No, I feel like I'm saying that wrong. I got the French vanilla. I like the other ones, but the French vanilla really hits for me. Pop-Tarts. I really like to heat up my Pop-Tarts, even though you can eat them as they are. I just feel like the ends a little burnt. It's really good. I'll either eat this for a snack, but for the most part, I'll eat it for breakfast. Like, you know, pop it in the toaster and go. Of course, I got me some apple juice. I usually don't really get apple juice. No, I get apple juice like when I'm going to the corner store. But for the most part, when I'm going to the supermarket with my family, we don't really pick up apple juice. But I personally love apple juice. So I got me some apple juice. If you think that orange juice is better than apple juice, my family gets more so orange juice than apple juice. So I do like orange juice. I mean, I do like orange juice. But that, y'all know the skinny $1, it's probably not even $1 no more. But the skinny chopper can of orange juice, the $1 one, that is poison. Like, that doesn't taste good. Like, you can't tell me that tastes good. Also got some Lucky Charms. I really don't be knowing what cereal to get. I usually get Fruity Pebbles, but I didn't feel for that sogginess. Or I'll get this other cereal. I forgot what it's called, but I wanted some Lucky Charms. Even though I really don't be liking how the Charms get like soggy in the milk, I don't know. I'll deal with it because I needed like more breakfast foods. So yeah, that's kind of like my little, I like to call it a little college grocery shopping, because I'm like kind of picky with my food. Not even my food. I barely eat, to be honest with you. I don't eat, but like I eat and I be hungry. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to do my makeup. Yesterday, I was not doing it. Like, I went to sleep. I woke up at 10 o'clock. There was no way that I was getting up to do makeup, all this stuff, put energy at 10 o'clock to take some Insta pics. I already know I hate wasting y'all time. And them pictures was trash. Like, apps, I would never. You couldn't pay me. Well, it depends on the amount. But you cannot pay me to put those pictures up on the internet. Like, what? It was giving all types of So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was like kind of different from my vlogs. I feel like every time I do a vlog, I'm kind of like doing something. So I feel like this was more so like me talking to y'all, me just really like FaceTiming, and I kind of enjoyed the video. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one, boo.